It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Come on, baby. Come on. Lie to you guys, this hair review took me for a completely different spin. Now, when I first got this unit, I did not expect it to look this cute, this freaking bomb. Now, the color kind of threw me off in the beginning, but when they actually asked me if I wanted to review this, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and give it a try. It came to me way better than I expected, guys. This unit is absolutely stunning. So this unit, guys, is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and it is a highlighted wig. Obviously, you guys can see the color is kind of like a blonde 27 color, which is the highlights. Now, this is 180% density. As you guys can see, that this is kind of like a jerry curl type of texture, so it's very curly and kinky. So this is a straight out of the box install, guys. I did not use any glue, sprays, anything like that. I literally just fluffed this out and kept it pushing, obviously, as you guys can tell. Now, one reason why I was able to do this one with this unit is because this unit actually fit my head to the T. So if, obviously, look at, once I lift it up right here, you don't see anything. Now, for me, I don't think baby hairs are necessary with this unit. There's no point, especially because you want to really emphasize this kinky kind of pretty texture in this color. Obviously, I did go ahead and cut in like a little bit of baby hairs, but I didn't mold them down or anything. I just kind of let them sparingly, so therefore, in case the wind blows, you'll still get like a little bit of baby hair, but look how natural it looks. It's just falling nice and messy, and it kind of goes along with the hair as well, which I really, really like. Now, one thing I do wish that they did was add kinky baby hairs to this one. I felt like maybe kinky baby hairs would have been better, but even the soft ones look really pretty. Now, obviously, you guys saw in the front of this hair, I just cut like a light layer. I felt like a light layer just kind of set the hair off as well too. I'm not sure what it's going to look like once I wet it. I'm pretty sure it's going to give the same curl pattern, but it's just going to be a lot looser, especially when you wet it after you cold wash the unit. But I wanted to show it to you guys straight out the box to show you guys that you guys could literally take this out the box and style it and go. Very, very cute, guys. And like I said, the color was a shocker for me. Like, this color is shocking. The texture, popping. Like, this looks very, very fun, very, very vibrant, just giving vibes. Now, it came to me in a middle part style, and I think for a hair with this type of curl pattern and color and density, that a middle part looks better. I don't think a side part, I think a side part would just be too heavy, too much heavy hair on one side. Even though this is 180% density, it's not the largest density. 180% density is pretty thick, and because this is a kinky texture, it just kind of makes it a little bit thicker. So I don't think a side part will really do any justice, but the middle part slaps. Like, this middle part in color definitely slaps. Like, this looks fire, guys. Like, very, very nice. If you don't want to cut the layers in the front, you don't have to, but for the purpose of the video and showing you guys how I would rock this hair, especially straight out of the box and it has somewhere to go, I'm quickly cutting the layers, fluffing it out like I showed you guys. I didn't over fluff it too much just because I want to keep some of the hair kind of uniformed. So what I would do with this unit is just wear it strictly as a glueless unit, popping on and off at night, just so that I can maintain some of the curl pattern and I don't have to go in and wet it. Even if I do decide to wet it, that's fine. I do have an up and coming trip, and I could definitely take this on the trip and wear it glueless like this one and enjoy my trip, and even go in the water, wash and let it air dry. This is a fabulous color combination, guys. Like I said, I believe it's like a 27 color mixed with a natural 1B color, and it just looks gorgeous. I wouldn't even go with like a brown base color for this unit. I think that this dark color with the highlights is just giving chef's kiss, guys. So shout out to Nadula Hair Company for this one. Very, very natural, 1000% glueless. I did not put any glue or any type of products on this hair whatsoever. Straight out of the box, same day install, guys. You really can't beat it. 13x4 unit that fits my head to the T, so it ends basically right here and here, and you just kind of style it, get your little kinky look on for the summertime. Look at, come on, baby. Come on. Alright, guys, so I'll leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this lovely kinky curly highlighter unit, guys. Such a fabulous look for the summertime. If you're a naturalista and you just don't want to deal with your hair and you have hair similar to this, and even if you don't, put this bad boy on. Like I said, super glueless. You can lift up and lift down. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.